So I have put a lot of my proud home cooked dish on YouTube to share with you. And these are the dish I make at home on a regular basis. But today I have a special event. So I'm cooking for 160 people. There are a lot of ins and outs in terms of how to adapt a home cooked dish to a big crowd, and I want to show you today. Okay, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you the space I'm going to work with. I'm also going to show you actually the people who are going to do the heavy lifting. I'm just the one that's, coming out with the dishes, giving the instruction, but the people who are going to do the heavy lifting, I will introduce you to them. Okay, so they're making the coconut cutlet. That's Chef Sean. Say hi.
Hello. This is Chef Chan.
Chef Chan. He's the head chef.
Yes, thank you very much.
Who's making everything happening. This is Chef Sham, who's in charge of sourcing, making. They have like over 40 years of experience. They look at what I do and they say, okay, very good, but this is else what other things you can do. I give them written recipe, I show them videos, and they have made this kind of dish, but in different versions. Maybe I have a little tweak here. I think this one is coconut, which is a little bit different.
Now actually we can understand how Louis' body language,
But
then we can know the recipe.
So today, the menu actually will take my audience through my life journey, starting from Taiwan, US, India, and then Singapore. For Taiwan, I am making my bang bang chicken noodle. I'm also making the gua bao with the condiments of pickled vegetable as well as powdered peanut sugar. For the US, I made buffalo chicken wing as well as the Angus beef burger. For the Indian station, I have a vegetarian samosa as well as the pani puri, followed by Indian as well as Taiwanese buffet. For dessert, I have pandan napkin cake with coconut custard. So to adapt the recipe from a home cooked setting to a big event, there are three things we're looking out for. Number one is prepping. We have to source ingredients in advance to scale to the number of packs. Number two, of course, is the taste. Making sure the taste continue to remain delicious and homey as I want it to be. And number three is presentation. Because it's a big crowd, as opposed to regularly at home serve as a home style, we have to think about in terms of how we present the food.
Okay, wait, I'm doing something.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you making?
I'm making some stuffed meal.
Oh, staff meal. What's your specialty?
Thai food.
Thai food.
Yeah. So much of varieties of spices and it's all fresh,
What's special about him is he knows how to lead a team. Everybody work for him. It's like, yes, chef, yes, chef, yes, chef. They follow him. That's the special about.
Yes.
Is it like what you see on TV where it's Gordon Ramsay style?
No,
like...
no, because
No, not Ramsay style. Ramsay is very...
because he cares. I think he really cares, no?
Yeah,
you do.
I command by heart.
Yeah, you
So
do.
they follow me.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
I
How
see
long
it.
have you been cooking for?
Almost 33 years.
Oh wow, okay.
Thank you very much.
That's it?
That's it.
Yeah, thank you.
Chef Louis, can I show him the coconut, the pandan cake you make?
I can.
So this is the pastry room. Basically, they make all the pastry here. And a dish I want to feature is actually the pandan chiffon napkin cake with coconut custard. And then this is Chef Louis. And Chef Louis has actually looked at my recipe and then follow it. And then he had made it. Oh, so you make it, you freeze it, is it?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Because I think if you have to make it the day before, you don't have no time.
Yeah, correct.
So they should see they made it and then they freeze everything.
Yeah.
How many did you make?
250?
Like little small.
Yeah.
And he's very confident and he's spot on.
Is this the first time you made this recipe?
Yes. I just follow the recipe that she gave me. So,
How long have you been cooking for? Like what got you into cooking?
I actually started when I was 21 after army. Yeah, I work at pastry all the way until now for about close to 14 years. Yeah. I think I like it when I see the customer they eat. Then after that they give good reviews and then they see a happy smile on the face. Yeah. Then I'll feel like good. Yeah.
We are 1 hour away from the event. I'm going to go in the kitchen to check out last minute anything else we need to work on. Taste testing is a must because as you go along the way, flavor sink in as well. Testing is a way, it's like a bridge that supplement just language, right? It's also another way to make sure the flavor is on the right note.
And Hoosier turned Master Chef Louis Juan is going to tell us about what we will be dining on this evening. So please join me in welcoming her to the stage.
All right, good evening. So in 1997, my twin sister and I went from Taiwan to Bloomington, Indiana to pursue our college degree. It was in the tiny kitchen where I learned to cook for the first time. So the next 20 years, I pursue a corporate career at Microsoft in Seattle. I also joined Cargill in Singapore. In that 20 years, I also met my husband from India. So I was wondering, always in my heart, could I turn my passion into my day job? I have the pleasure to cook for all of you today, and I've designed a menu to take you on my life journey. I hope you enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you very much.
So please enjoy food and drink.
It's a little bit fast and loud also.
Right, it's very loud, eh?
All right, now the prep is done. People are enjoying the food. Finally, I can relax. I'm going to show you a little bit what we're serving here. Let's follow me. You can look at the line. There is a queue lining up for my food there. Okay, so this is the live station where we serve the Taiwanese guapao and also the bang bang noodle. The cold noodle is served there. Usually we mix on site, but because I think there are a lot of people, they pre-mix it already, and people just have to put the garnishing. The guapao they're serving, putting a different condiment. I make sure they have the condiment there so people can enjoy it. This is the man who made all the food. Okay, not me. I just tell them this is the menu. Look at it, they look very delicious. So there's a line for the live station. That's why for certain food, we have to make sure the timing and also the placement of the station is very important. So that's the end of the event. The reception was fantastic. Everybody gave a lot of compliments about the food. I hope you also learn a lot with my journey about how to bring home cooked food to a big crowd. Happy cooking!